Latest research and development. 1. Scientists shocked by lunar soils, magic, in space survival study. A new solar-powered tech extracts water from moon soil and turns astronaut CO into oxygen and fuel. 2. Rewriting physics textbooks, scientists propose a bold new theory about the universe's origins. Speculative elements may not be necessary to explain the cosmos. 3. Century-old quantum mystery solved, scientists finally see inside the electrons' tunnel. A team of physicists has experimentally uncovered what electrons do during quantum tunneling, revealing a surprising internal collision process that challenges long-held beliefs. 4. Defying geology, scientists discover giant formations beneath the North Sea. Synkites reveal inverted subsurface structures and may affect carbon storage strategies. Their formation remains under active investigation. 5. Caught on camera, rare footage reveals how a giant earthquake tore the Earth in seconds. In a breakthrough moment, researchers captured the first ever video of curved fault slip during Myanmar's recent magnitude 7.7 earthquake, something long suspected from geological evidence but never seen in action. 6. Groundbreaking study finds eggs don't harm heart health. A groundbreaking study shows that it's not the cholesterol in eggs, but saturated fat in other foods, that raises the risk of heart disease. 7. Natural molecule shows remarkable anti-aging results after just 28 days. A clinical study shows that pterostilbene, a natural compound, significantly improves signs of aging in the skin, pointing to a new direction in skincare science. 8. Protecting your brain. Scientists identify new health benefit of Ozempic. New research reveals GLP-1 drugs like Ozempic may reduce stroke risk and improve recovery. 9. Thought to be impossible, scientists rewrite a material's magnetic DNA. Is it magic? Physicists at the University of Constance have successfully altered the properties of a material using light and magnons in a non-thermal manner. 10. Scientists solve decades-old photosynthesis mystery. Scientists have uncovered why a critical part of photosynthesis only uses one of two seemingly identical pathways, revealing hidden energy barriers and structural nuances that could help engineer more efficient artificial systems. 11. Amazon River yields surprise as drones spot 41,000 rare turtles. Scientists have developed a drone-based counting method that corrected major errors in traditional wildlife surveys. 12. AI turns common heart test into a life-saving screening tool. A routine, low-cost heart test may be on the verge of a transformative upgrade thanks to artificial intelligence. 13. Ocean sugar makes cancer cells explode. Researchers have found a powerful new way to kill cancer cells, by making them explode from the inside out. 14. Researchers discover surprisingly simple way to ease lower back pain. A groundbreaking study reveals that walking nearly doubles the pain-free time for those recovering from low back pain, compared to doing nothing. 15. NASA's Hubble spots blinding explosion in a distant spiral galaxy. In the striking Hubble image, the spiral galaxy NGC 3285b gleams from 137 million light-years away in the vast Hydra constellation. Thanks for watching this video.